In this video, I will show you how to slow down YouTube Shorts. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is, of course, open up the YouTube app on your device. And what you're going to want to do is just scroll through the shorts until you find a short that you want to slow down. So let's take this one for example. Now, what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and like the video. Then what you need to do is come into your library. So if you come down to the bottom right hand corner, you're going to want to click onto your profile icon. From here, you want to find the playlist with your liked video. So you can see that's just here. So I'm going to press onto this and we can see our video here. Now what I'm going to do is press onto this to play this short again. And I'm just going to go ahead and pause this. Now once you've paused this, if you look in the top right hand corner, you've got this gear icon. And if you press onto this, you're going to get a menu come up at the bottom. Now you can see there's actually an option for playback speed. So if you press onto this, and what you can do is actually slow this down. So the options above 0.25, 0.5 and 0.75 is going to be the ones that slow the video down. The ones underneath normal, so what 1.25, 1.5 and 1.75 are going to speed the video up. So all you need to do is select from the top option. So I'm going to select 0.25. When we play this video, it's actually going to go ahead and slow down the YouTube short, as you can see here. So that is how to slow down YouTube shorts. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.